Peak Optics beam wiper blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, position the blade parallel to the wiper arm. Next, pull the blade into the wiper arm hook. Then continue to pull past the front adapter tabs. Depending on your vehicle, you should feel or hear a snap or click. Visually check that the wiper arm is past the tabs. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Optics wiper blades.